Sawadika, luxury according to Gracie. I'm going to be very, very careful here. I'm on the island of Koh Samui, and I'm on a slippery rock. When I got up here, oh, got to be careful. How am I going to do this? Just take the leap. Woo! And Koh Samui is where the season 3, The White Lotus, HBO Max has been filmed. And this is where I'm staying here. Long-term rentals is, and I'll put the link, is beautiful rentals that I bought and are renting very well. So I've decided to rent something else in Koh Samui, which has got a gorgeous swimming pool, and then about 3 meters is this beach. Now it's private into the sense of, if we turn around, they're in 500,000 plus properties. I'm loving the Mr. Ken fans. So it is access to the public, but it's quite hard to get to. And in my condominium, you know, it's gated and secure. So I'm loving it because I'm not going around Samui at all, because why would I, when clean beach, hardly anywhere here, no jet skis, and no loud bar music. And that's luxury according to Gracie. You know, I'm going through menopause, I'll be 54 soon. I just want this quietness. And this is what women at our age are really, really seeking. You know, there's that great moment in The White Lotus at the end, the final season, when the 3 ladies, 50 plus, who are reflecting on life, and they're like, I'm just happy to be at the table. Well, I'm just happy to be on this beach in Koh Samui, which is really busy, just myself. And this is what I'm looking for. This is luxury according to Gracie. I don't need to brag about the boutique hotel. I don't, and that is another trend forecast. Don't boast about where you're staying unless you like it. Now I live between Tuscany and Thailand, or Tuscany and Asia basically, so between Italy. I do a lot of car reviews, women, hashtag women who drive, luxury car reviews in the United Kingdom, and I also visit Asia, and my go-to places are Thailand, Vietnam, and Laos or Laos. So they're my favourite places so far. Now, luxury according to Gracie, as I said, finding a secluded beach without a jet ski. But I'm seeing, look over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those jet skis are going sort of to Koh Phangan, which is a full moon party over there, and they're just going across back to Chong Mong Beach, where the Malaya is. So they're not going to come around here, which is fantastic. So it's a little bit of a jet ski noise for a moment. And I've got a massive business meeting today, and it's been incredibly stressing. And you can check out all my bullying articles in Gracie Opulanza. And the wonderful thing that I was very conscious of it this time, and this is luxury according to Gracie, is don't let anyone affect your peace, your harmony, your mindset. Don't bring the argument into your family, into your home. My daughter is a teenager doing GCSEs. Last thing she needs is, you know, her parents arguing. Pursue peace. Don't let the stress and the harmony be affected by business. And as I've been running a business, gosh, for 30 years. Now, luxury according to Gracie, there's not much left here. Now in Chong Mong, there are these gorgeous Thai ladies that make me coconut oil. They do it themselves, and I use it in my hair because it's brutal, you know, being in Thailand or Asia for so long. I'm in and out of the water. I'm in and out of salt water, chlorine water, and the sea salt. So what I love about this, and this is luxury according to Gracie, you know, you can go to the big beauty standard brands, and if you buy the coconut oil, let's say at Watson's or Sephora or any brands, you don't smell anything. It's just pure white coconut, so it's questionable. And luxury, according to Gracie, is buying from the source, buying from the artisan, buying that you know that your hard-earned cash is going direct to feed a family. So there's only a little bit left. Don't worry about the reason that won't go out into the beauty standard industries, because it's not looking that pretty. But can I assure you, it is divine. It's gorgeous. My tip is, luxury according to Gracie, the moment you buy it from them, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to get them glass bottles. So can you put it in glass bottles? Plastic is, it's not a feng shui. It's not speaking to my soul. But I've just got this here. And it's wonderful. I mean, there are hair products, and I know Circles, Perth, Australia, people paying hundreds of dollars for coconut oil, and I get it, but I'm in Thailand. I'm on the land of smiles and coconut. Why on earth would I just then go into Watson's or Sephora or any of those beauty places and buy commercially made coconut oil? That is questionable. Luxury, according to Gracie, is about going to the maker, to the artisan, paying them cash directly, and asking them, especially for sustainability, bring your own gorgeous bottle. When I'm in Tuscany, I have my olive oils in beautiful bottles, and I have my castor oil, which you can look on my YouTube, in a gorgeous mosaic bottle made in Italy, right? So create your own wellness. We can't all afford to keep going out. I mean, you know, the cost of living and so forth. And I combine coconut oil and castor oil and rosemary water, which I have in Tuscany, and apparently it makes your hair grow. Can I tell you, my daughter does sort of like a massage on my head 2-3 times a week, and my hair's never been so long. It may not look long to you, but it is. It may not look, it's quite thin hair, but I'm 54 years old. Apparently menopause, you can lose your hair. When I spray rosemary water on my hair, I'm not kidding you, it doesn't molt at all. Castor oil, bit of coconut oil, and a bit of rosemary oil. What's so beautiful about that? That it is my lifestyle. It's living luxury, not tomorrow, today. So, you know, Tuscany, where my villa is, it's got hedges and hedges of rosemary. And here when I'm in Thailand, I've got endless coconut oil and rehydration coconut, like a fresh coconut. And it's so good for you. And for me, you know, I'm not at the Four Seasons, I'm not at Malia, I'm not at the Kapinski, I'm not at the Hyatt. My boutique experience is creating it within my own luxury stay here. So keep watching me, ask questions. For me, you know, there's all these Luxtoxia eyewear, which is now owned by China. It's questionable, is it made in Italy? It's questionable, is it made in Japan? Well, the thing is, these are 35 years old. The lens are gorgeous. They were made in Austria. Just bought them on Vestiaire. So make sure, especially us women 50 plus, we don't need any more eyewear. We don't need any more products. But what, for me, luxury is that really rare storytelling experience. And I've got so many stories. So, Sawadee Ka, welcome to Thailand, Kabunka, welcome to the island of Koh Samui. And I'm not really going to promote where I am because that's my big infinity pool here, but I'm sure people that are familiar with Koh Samui will know. You know, you can stay in a gorgeous boutique hotel or you can stay in Airbnbs, long-term rentals, samui.com, I'll put the link. My rentals are full and they've got sea views of this particular beach. I'm looking for long-term. I'm looking for digital nomads, and it's a 2-bedroom gorgeous house. Have a look at the video. I'm looking for long-term, but I actually think my second property, it's already going to be taken, but just contact me. # luxury according to Gracie, the trend forecast. connect here in Samui, the ladies of coconut that make it straight from the coconut. No fancy beauty standard labels or marketing, and the cash goes straight to them. They're happy, I'm happy, my hair's happy. Kabunka. Welcome to Koh Samui. Share, like, subscribe. And if you're on the island of Samui, give me some tips on a great manicure place, pedicure, and I need a haircut before I go back to Europe, which is very soon.